Welcome folks to the Kelly Writers House Kitchen. Today we have a stunning competition of chilies and desserts. We'll see who comes out the victor in this year's Kelly Writers House Challenge.
How can a man?
I'm feeling.
You should say
I don't know.
Go from this
I'm feeling good.
to this. Chili cook-off.
Well, I heard there was a lot of drama about the chili cook-off last year.
I don't know if there was bias, but what I do know is that God is either not all great or not all good.
But from being in the kitchen for the last couple hours, everything seems to be going smoothly. Everyone's just excited for chili.
I got my rat eye.
They're excited to eat chili. I'm excited to eat chili. Maybe the tension will come out later than when more people come by.
I'm making my famous chili right now. This is the first time, but it's going to be famous. It's improvised. We have SpaghettiOs, potatoes, lime, garlic, mustard, barbecue sauce, Cholula, of course. I don't know, just instinct, I guess.
How long ago did you decide to make this chili?
Like an hour ago when I woke up from a nap.
You know, I think we have a really strong field of competitors this year. I think every year it's tough, but this year I've seen people really bring their A game, and you know, normally I go in really confident with my chili, and I just don't feel it this year because I see who I'm up against, and it's a field. It is a mighty field. So we'll see how it goes.
We'll see how it goes.
Oh fuck man, it's the chili cook-off.
How are you feeling?
I'm chilling.
Oh, so I what I heard, right? The Instant Pot has a sensor on it that detects burning, and it went off.
Burning. Oh, the seal isn't.
No, I think it's just
It's just kind of the
the
way it
smell of
smells.
it. Yeah.
It burned.
And so I think someone might have been tampering with it. Maybe they didn't seal it correctly. Maybe they wanted Henry to lose. And so I think that's what set it off. But I think they were able to kind of in the last few seconds pop that bad boy in the microwave, get those potatoes cooked, and hopefully, you know, it's out there right now. So we'll see what people's reactions to it are. But you know, I kind of want, you know, it'd be a great success story. That's all I'm saying.
Well, mine didn't burn, so I don't know what you're talking about. But for the people's chili that did burn, that's not my problem.
Burn.
It's the chili cook-off.
Well, it didn't go how I expected it to. But, you know what? I woke up this morning and little did I know I'd be making my first chili. It might not have gone over well, but there was a moment when I was sitting in the living room and I heard somebody say, chili number 4 is really good. And that made me happy. But then they were like, it turns out they were talking about chili number 2. But even that little sliver of happiness that I had was worth it.
All right, and so our two Chopped competitors. Are gonna be number 8 and number 2.
It turns out they were talking talking about chili number 2.
Number 8. Number 8.
What's number 8?
Mary?
And number 2. Here is Tosh. Okay, Tosh is number 2. Cheese. Nothing's on fire, but the kitchen is heating up. It's got a little
It smells so
raspberry, just pizzazz in it, you know?
It smells so good.
4, 3, 2, time's up, hands up!
We have had to chop group 2. Group 2 has been chopped. And group 1, Tasha's group, you are the new chopped champion.
This is a work of fiction. Names, characters, businesses, places, events, locales, and incidents are either the products of the author's imagination or, used in a fictitious manner, any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental.